Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install WordPad on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in optional. Best result should come back with manage optional features. Go ahead and select that. And then select add a feature at the top. And you want to search for WordPad. Go ahead and check mark next to that and then select add. Give that a moment to install here. And then once it's added, you may need to restart your computer to have it fully installed, and that's it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.